Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Haka shitare ku jemang arja arpun rio kat baga program ai Burom bala khot penlong da ka Meghalaya SSA School Association, but Meghalaya Food Teachers Association ya ka Sorkar Jylla, wala pen urlong ya ka structured pay framework. Wanra jing ya dapat jingbet jingbiang, ya kinong hikai na kiniki artli ki association kanang ya chakmat, hamaran student jayao. Ladan ka kinhon kinong hikai vocational course na ki school prepare, kibila muttur siya katay ka program. Kadaw ba kiniki vocational teachers ki muttur siya katay ka jaka, kaday na marka jimbam ay jubab uba lakman rimboy menteri baday kami katanat puli ka Sorkar Jylla, manyakan dole ni ekran ki bahalor, ya ki jing ka jongki. Kita khot keberan haga Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union haga jingalam uba Aiban Suk Suchang President kila seri ki plakat ban penram ke jing sngap menti ke Sorkar bar kedoru ban nadu ki snam ki beladap kila kwa ekren henry uba lakmen remboy ula ong ba dan por Hashwa bantur kita khot ke union kila yelum hamad pran badya ter shadu maran student henry hamar bapoy high school sinat kila shabat no haki pulet hakatay ki jingalang ai Burom ki ar association ya ka Sorkar lawan ya don bentalang do konrad ke sangmau menteri rang ba ka Jylla uba lakmen remboy menteri ka tanat pule lambat kiwe pat.
Mentang kesini ni ngidai warna ke Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union.แต่กำบังพิลติมตากสนีบา UCM un release ยกตัวกัน new pay structure จงกีน้องหิกายกำบังยออีบา almost บางกีน้องหิกายก็เลยยอกัน new pay structure จงกีตั้งบาyang ipat ki vocational teachers จงกา vocational education ki lempat include yang ini lalong kembang ki suklet ini kumne แต่ตากระดองงิมตากระสงิวันตากระมันเซมกบะโคยบันนะวันเป็นกระลองกุมบาชูเป็นอีปลากัดโชบางีดอนกัมงีกว่าบากินอินคลูดอย่างนี้ฮับปะกันเนกา new pay structure กุมบางีเลติบากันเนกา vocational education กาลาพอยน์งีลักษณะเอกาฮัดนาดู2017แต่ฮัดดูมันตั้งงิมปัดยอกาเอกาkum ka increment na new pay structure na job policy hadu menta te hekanek demands hapok ka office level ngilapan nadu snem 2019 but hadu menta ngimpat yo haga minister level but hadu CM ru ila dep summit ya ka demand jongi kum ka job security ka new pay structure te but menta ya kenaga new pay structure kum bakila ai kini kiwe pat kinong hikaiแต่กุมบากวยงากว่าบันเป็นทิปสกีเวสกี public บากันในกับ vocational education นี่กีน้องไก่ vocational นี่ชิมคลาสนัดู9 to 12ตลองกุมบางนี้และอาจัดกิจกรรมก็จงกับ secondary level บัดกับ higher secondary level ตั้งบากกับเปกับเป็นเยอะลองกับกำยามาใช้กันเลยจะเป็นsecondary กุมบางี้ลาบันองกุมตาแต่ตากระดาวงี้ngay bang idon hub sisha ban yo eng nega new pay structure nega equal pay for equal works ladangi ong ba kumi kam jongi dalong kumba kono barang kumbang lele ajat gikam tang bang yo pay tang kawai ke pay kata ba bompat bang te ta kadang ngi ta gasngi ngin like penni peaceful show na yo UCM tang ben yo i Pat tip ya ka demand jang ni.
Mut kenlek be thang te jaka ba penong.
Ngin lek ba yang te. Entah. Ngin ba yang te ta it's a peaceful show. So there will be no problem about it. Before ban penkut ya ka jeng kren jang nga kwa ban ai kebelai kiwe ki no hikai. Bakila nga kwa ban ai congratulations siki bakila yo ya ka jeng demand jang ki but yo so jang ki. From our side, all the best. Congratulations and all the best to all of you. Langwan ban kendung ini, langwan ban kendung ini, it'll be just a peaceful one. Just a peaceful one.
Tang ban yuk summit tamam ya ka.
ngin siu yang tang ngin siu yang tang hana tang hana alai ngin dong lai ngin penugit ni no ya no indon kam hi ban kong sa ba sim se tam tidak
Ni siu yang na bar madam melele. Security kita nginam rai ai la. Ni siu yang na bar. Nginam
indon tang tidak ngul dan kami ban ni kwa ben
em kan niu sang tang yu pai ba sa ndai ngi kwa bau sa em jung ni ke
haban yo haban yo
em office ngeladap kam lut madam
di betul apa tu di haban
tanpa mentar kiklet ini mentar berapa kita nombor ni mat kiklet ini lah
tang mangi ki abu jaj yang kai bagi it's the only kind of teachers we came from vocational education. Okay, we are vocational education teachers and we are the one who implemented vocational education in Meghalaya. But why they exclude us? Why they forgot us? We have the right to demand from them, and we want an answer for the education minister from the CM itself, because for right from 2023 we have submitted our demands to the education minister, to the secretary, to the director, to the state coordinator, even to the CM also. We already submitted our demands. I don't understand why they have to exclude us. And as you can see that in every meetings, in every education mission, they always used to speak about vocational education and skills education. But what they do about the vocational teachers? It's us who implement this skill education in the grassroots levels. But why they forgot us? Why they exclude us? And like what I said, that this is just a peaceful show of placard. We just want to show our demand to the CM. That's all. We don't want any problem here. Okay, that's all. As you know that we are teachers, we know how to follow the rules and whatever. And as we already know that India is a democracy country, we have the right to do this. I think you don't have the right to stop us. Please allow you. If you will not go inside. Just choose us a proper place there. Then we'll stand there with your security, with tight security. How many of you? There are many of you, and also how many of us? Only few of us. Just choose a place for us there. We'll just stand here.
sir I hope you
So please do something for us. Choose a proper place for us there. You just stand there with the placards. That's all. You can be around us. All the security.
we are not bringing anything, only our mobile phone.
For that, not even the question. We are teachers. We are the one who are supposed to show good example to others. And why should we do that? That's not even a question. Come, please, make some place for others. No, we'll not go inside. Just make some space there. Just let us go behind the bars only.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya